If you're trying to divorce in Indonesia without court, most methods aren't legally valid, and here's how to actually do it. Here's the problem. Most people think they can divorce through an imam or notary alone. They can't. Talak divorce requires 2 witnesses and written notification within 30 days to be legally binding. Mutual consent divorces in Indonesia must still register with the Religious Affairs Office within 60 days or they're void. In Indonesia, there are exactly 2 legal paths to divorce. One is court-based, the other is talak, which is Islamic divorce by the husband. But here's what most people get wrong. Just saying the words isn't enough. A real scenario is a couple from Jakarta who performed talak privately with family present. 18 months later, the wife tried to remarry and discovered the divorce was never registered. She was still legally married. That's why TheBaliLawyer handles Indonesian family law for foreigners and locals alike, because the paperwork matters. Most people fail here. They assume an imam or a notary signing something makes it official. Indonesia requires written talak notification, 2 adult witnesses, and formal registration with the Religious Affairs Office within 60 days. Skip any step and the divorce is invalid. Do not rely on verbal agreements, no matter how many people heard it. Step 1. If you're the husband, you must issue written talak to your wife with 2 witnesses present. This must be documented. TheBaliLawyer prepares the talak letter in Arabic and Indonesian, ensuring it meets Islamic law requirements and Indonesian family law standards simultaneously. The process takes 3 to 5 business days. This is important. Within 60 days of talak, you must register the divorce with the Religious Affairs Office, Kantor Urusan Agama. Without registration, the government has 0 record of the divorce. You'll need the talak letter, both passports, marriage certificate, and witness statements. TheBaliLawyer files this for you, handling translation and submission. Here's the problem illustrated. Before, you think a private talak is divorce. You try to remarry and hit a wall because there's no legal record. After, you issue written talak, get witnesses, file with the Religious Affairs Office within 60 days, and the government recognizes the divorce. The difference is roughly 2 to 3 weeks of paperwork. If you're a foreigner divorcing an Indonesian spouse, the process gets more complex. You might need to register the talak in your home country's embassy or handle it through Indonesian civil court if one party is non-Muslim or refuses talak. This is where most foreigners get stuck because they don't know which office to visit or what documents to bring in each jurisdiction. TheBaliLawyer has 20 years handling exactly these cross-border family cases in Bali. When issuing talak, use this structure. Your full name, hereby divorce my wife. Her full name 3 times, in accordance with Islamic law and Indonesian family law number 1 of 1974. Have 2 adult male witnesses sign and date the document in Indonesian or Arabic. Talak requires written form plus 2 witnesses. Register with Religious Affairs Office within 60 days. Unregistered divorces have 0 legal standing in Indonesia. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for your Indonesian family law consultation. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.